Welcome all. Today we are getting to know about data mining in bioinformatics. I am D. Mary Rajati from Department of Bioinformatics, Bishop Heber College. The topics covered are Introduction to Data Mining System Architecture, and some application of data mining in bioinformatics. What is data mining? Data mining refers to extract or find new interesting patterns and relationship in huge amount of data. Data mining is also termed as knowledge discovery in data. It helps in many ways like fraud detection, database marketing, credit risk management, spam email filtering, and more. This is the architecture of data mining system. There are 5 steps are involved in data mining process. At first, data from various resources such as database, World Wide Web, plain text, spreadsheet, or in some other forms of data like video or photos. These data are in unstructured form, so raw data is cleaned and integrated and stored in data warehouse. Data warehousing is a large collection of data handled by the database server that is used to query and analysis. The data warehouse is selected and transformed to the data mining system. Here the data mining engine will be running for n iteration. Data mining techniques like classification, clustering, regression, and association are used. As a result, we will get some patterns as output. Then the patterns are evaluated and finally we will get an output which is knowledge. So these are the process involved in the data mining system. Some of the data mining techniques we are used are classification, which classifies the data into one of several class labels. Clustering, segmenting the data into a number of subgroups or clusters. Association, determining which attributes of data go together, also called dependency modeling. Here, these are the some of the data mining techniques that are frequently used. Other than that, there are a lot of data mining techniques are available. Data mining in bioinformatics. Since large collection of databases for biological information, mining biological data helps to extract useful knowledge. As biological data such as DNA, RNA, protein, drug ingredients, and metabolic pathways in raw form, these data should be pre-processed and stored in data warehouse for data mining. Through the figure we saw that data from various resources such as text format, sequence data, photos, protein structure. These data are to be processed to get a structured form which will be stored in data warehouse for further data mining process. Classification is one of the data mining techniques which involves identifying the common features associated within different types of data. Here, protein sequences from various resources are obtained. The protein sequences are classified into family or superfamily. The sequence motif among the protein sequences are identified, and if the sequences containing particular motif, then they belong to particular family. For example, if the protein containing MPA motif, then it belongs to family 1. If it is contained PAT, then it belongs to family 2. Here, sequence motif of proteins are used as class labels. These classifications are used to infer the structure, function, and evolutionary information of an unknown protein sequence. Next, clustering is another data mining technique. Clustering is grouping of data based on their similarities. Here, clustering of protein into subtypes based on their functional domains. Here, functional domains are used as finding similarities among the data. These type of clustering are used to infer function of new protein. Next, association is a data mining task that discovers the possibility of the co-occurrence of data in a database. For example, while analyzing the core diseases in diabetic patients, researchers found that most of the diabetic patients are subjected to get brain strokes and heart attack in future. Like that information we can identify using these data mining techniques. These are the some of the techniques we are using. There are a lot of techniques are available. Most of the techniques they are using, implementing and get more knowledge from the database. Conclusion: extensive research in bioinformatics that attributes of biological database propose a large amount of challenge. Data mining techniques are key to improve the quality and accuracy of bioinformatics challenge.